So, welcome to Cigar Unboxing video number 2. Let's see what we have here from JR Cigars. See my cigar box pedestal. Give those away for free to my friends. What do we have? Handmade Black Abyss Connecticut wrapper. 20 cigars. Ooh. That's pretty. I don't know. Judging by the quality and color of the wrapper, we'll see. Creamy on the initial hit. By the way, I'm wearing my Slava Ukraini shirt. Slava Ukraini. Oh, hey, sweetie. What's up? I don't know. I'm just testing out these new cigars. My wife. Do you want to try one?
Sure. Send one up.
Okay, ready? Catch.
Yeah, go.
You got it?
Yeah.
Oh,
Nice.
light it up and tell me what you think.
Okay.
What do you think?
Full body.
Full bodied. Yes, she is.
A little on the thinly sliced deli meat taste.
Well, that's mighty specific.
All right.
Until next time, cigar unboxing. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'm doing this for me. Peace, love, and long ashes.